In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer your Google Workspace to another account in a straightforward step-by-step process. Whether you're a business owner or an individual who needs to migrate data between two Google accounts, understanding the nuances of this process can save you time and ensure a smooth transition. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Google sign-in page. This is your gateway to accessing the admin console of Google Workspace, where all the magic happens. Make sure you have the necessary credentials handy because you'll be asked to log in. Once you're on the sign-in page, select your account. This should be the account from which you want to transfer cert data. Clicking on your account will take you to another login step where you'll need to enter your password. This step is crucial for verifying your identity and ensuring the security of your data. After you've successfully entered your password, click on the next button to proceed. You'll be greeted with the main interface of Google Workspace. From here, you'll want to focus on the top right corner of the screen, where you'll see several small squares arranged in a grid formation. This is often referred to as the Google Apps icon. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu of available Google services. In the drop-down menu, look for the Admin Console. This is where you can manage many aspects of your Google Workspace, including transferring ownership of data. Once you find it, click on it to open the Admin Console. Now you're in the hub of Google Workspace Administration. To move forward with the transfer, click on Apps. This option allows you to manage and configure various Google Workspace services. From the Apps section, you'll want to focus on finding and clicking on the Google Workspace option. This will take you to the next level of settings specific to Google Workspace services. Look for the Drive and Docs option within the Google Workspace settings and click on it. This action will navigate you to the place where you can manage settings for Google Drive and Docs, including the transfer of data. Next, find and click on the Transfer Ownership option. This crucial step is where you'll specify the accounts between which you want to transfer data. You'll be prompted to enter the email addresses for both the from, current owner, and to new owner accounts. Ensure that you input these email addresses correctly to avoid any issues with the transfer. After you've entered the email addresses, all that's left to do is click on Transfer Files. This will initiate the process of transferring ownership of the specified files and documents from one Google account to another. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through the process of transferring your Google Workspace to another account. Remember, while the process is straightforward, it's important to double check the details at each step to ensure that everything goes smoothly. Transferring data between accounts is a powerful feature, but it also requires attention to detail to ensure the integrity and security of your data. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and easy to follow. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out for support. Happy transferring.